Thank you, Rima, for all the kind words. And I can tell you, I'm equally proud of all the work you did. So thank you for, what about a round of applause for our chair here? So good evening and welcome everyone. My name is Qaiser. I'm the Director of Liberal Party Canada for the province of Ontario. Truly, incredibly honored to be here. I can tell you a little bit nervous today. And reason being is that 8 years ago, same hall, same mic, same stage, and we have fun with them. We didn't have an MP, we only have candidate. And looking back, the room was pretty full that time. But looking at the room, this one is absolutely packed, and that tells us that we're doing something right. You know, all the great work done by our Liberal government cannot be done without the help and support of each and every one of you. So I'll start by welcoming you. So thank you very much for being here today. Thank you. I also like to welcome our member of the parliament. I see LBC, your board member, somewhere in the back as well. And I also want to tell, on a personal note, when Rima was talking about me as a president or a director, I can tell you that has very little to do with my ability to do this role. I think it's more to do with community support. So on a personal note, I'd like to thank you, each and every one of you. Thank you so much. So while I'm thinking back, 8-year-old fundraiser, and we didn't have a MP at that time. We only have candidate, and that candidate was none other than Member of Parliament Iqra Khalid, right here. Yeah, you can clap for her. Yes, absolutely. She worked with the city of Mississauga at that time, and she was a young lawyer, new in politics. However, I can tell you, in 8 years, 3 wins, I think that speaks volume of her leadership and her commitment to the cause. Thank you very much, Iqra. So she represents such a remarkable and powerful leadership. I can tell you, as her writing president back in the days, she decided to do a private member motion called M13. It's around the religious intolerance and hate. And in the process, she faced so much criticism, only to see after a few years that how right she was, how futuristic she was. I know the folks who actually criticized her came to her afterward and apologized because she was right.
Very good.
She believes in standing up for the people who can't stand for themselves, and that's why she never shy away supporting people of Kashmir, Palestine,
Member of Parliament. This is
Rohingya,
Irfan Baba from
and
Toronto
people in need around
360.
the globe. So thank you so much. Can I have a little bit? I will need one more. Malik Saab, have a seat, please. Thank you. She also believes that all politics is local. That's why she is the one most accessible member of parliament and with the open door policy. And I know that as the writing president back in the days, we used to have a tally of how many meetings she does, and there were 100 and 1,000 meetings in just 1 year span. So all your commitment, all your tireless work for this community and community at large, I think I'm speaking on behalf of everybody here. Thank you very much for your leadership. Thank you so much. I think that's enough for me today. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our amazing, brave, courageous, dynamic leader, Member of Parliament from Mississauga-Erin Mills, Iqra Khalid.